Hey guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video I have a earning application from where you can earn money. So in this application you just need to do complete offers, complete surveys, complete that quizzes, play games and etc. So in order to download this application you just need to go in Play Store and search Gatsby. After searching the Gatsby, this is demo account for me, but you need to upgrade to email account. To upgrade to email account, you just need to click in upgrade to email account, and you will see this type of interface where you need to give your nickname, email and password. So I'm going to quit now, and there is daily bonus. If you click on daily bonus, you will get certain bonus like 10 points. Now I'm going to quit it because it's taking time. And there is instant money. So if you click on instant money, you just need to scroll down and you will see offers and social money. If you complete those, yes, if you like, subscribe other channel, and you will get rewards and earning quizzes, cricket quizzes, partnership, Gatsby app, sharing with friends, that is refer and on. And you can even share your links in or WhatsApp is in status or genre, and share with friends in Facebook, share with friends in TikTok, and you can even follow them and earn points. So I'm gonna quit now, and there is option called earn money. If you click on that, you will get easy and export method. So if you click on easy, data usage playtime, then you can see this type of interface where you need to accept the policy and make cash. So if I click on make cash, I will get this type of interface where I need to give them acceptance. Now I'm not giving them. So there is another option of export. If you click on export, unfortunately this is not available for our country. This might be available for your country, but not now in Nepal. So you can even become partner of Swarm. Basically Swarm is the developer of this earning app, I guess. Developer, yeah, it might not be. So if you become a partner, you can earn massive with your Swarm code. You can even get Bees unique wallet and etc. So let's talk about how to withdraw from this application. In order to withdraw, you just need to click in credit payout. After clicking in credit payout, you will get this type of interface where you can even earn burger vouchers up to 10 euros and PayPal. So there are other options also. So but for now this video is of PayPal. So at least 10 euro, you just need to earn at least 10 euro. Now I have earned shamefully 0 euros. So I just need to give that PayPal email address and type my amount, and after that I will get my payment. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye. Jai Sri Ram. Radhe Radhe.